In this video, you will learn the best way to mark the trading structure. So while you are marking the trading structure, the chart is actually bullish or the bearish. You can find out the trading strategy in by creating this marketing structure. You can find out the actual point of interest zone, your recent high, recent low, everything you can find out. So then you will never make any mistakes when you are making a trading decision. So let's start this video right now here. Okay, first of all, we will try to understand the market structure in drawing, and then later on we'll go for the live markets and live markets, how they work, the market structure. So let's first try to understand in drawing. So first of all, any kinds of movement, any big move, any kinds of big move, you can keep it as a consider as a high or low. So for example, I'm taking it, this is a low and this is a high. So I mark it, so let me make it the bigger so we can see it perfectly. Okay, so this is high and this is low. So this is high and this is low. So we have market by default. Basically we mark this is a, considering from here we're going to, you can consider from anywhere. So this is structure marking, so I'm considering this one. Okay, then we're going to marking as a high. So when it is doing this, breaking this level, it is breaking this level, so it is becoming the break of structure. So this is becoming a break of structure. Okay, fine, this break of structure. So when there is a break of structure happens, so here become a new high, which is this one. There is become a new high. So this is high and this is becoming a new low. So this is new low. So this is new low and this is new high. So this is where now we're continue this. Now the trading will be inside this area. So whatever is happened, you can see it was did the retest and move out. So when it is move out, so we will find for another structure. So we can find, so this one is the new high, we know, as we know that. So this is becoming, instead of high, it's becoming another break of a structure. So this become another break of a structure, and the new low, the low has been shifted to here, a new low. There is new low has been shifted. So that this low is not right now, we're not considering this old low. We're not considering anymore this low, we're considering this one. So this is the new and recent low, and the recent high is this one. So we're going to make it as a high, another high. So this is become another high, which is basically, you can say, if you're going to say that higher high, higher low marking, so that's also you can say. So this is, you can say high, higher high and higher low. So if you want to say, so let me make it for that also, so you can find out. So this is higher high, okay, when I'm writing this as A says, so this means higher high. So this is higher high, and I'm gonna make it as a clone. So this will be higher low. This is a sell. Okay, this is a sell. So this means this is higher high and this is higher low. And when it's breaking out this another one, so there you can see it was creating another higher high. So this was creating another higher high, and there is creating another higher low. So this is another new higher low. So this is higher high and higher low creating, and when it is breaking out this level again, so this is becoming another new break of a structure is here. So every time the market is doing a breaking that higher point, so there is creating a break of a structure. If it not creating that higher point, then it is not creating the break of a structure. And the most important thing, when the candle is pushing out, and when it is going to this pushing out the high, and the candle must be need to close above this high, only then it will be considered as a break of a structure. If it not, if it just provide a width, then it is not a break of a structure. Then we will also show you that in the practical example there. So first of all, now just understand that drawing as a concept. So now go to here. So this is, now there is a new low is considered, there is a new low, so we can consider it. So let me copy and paste. So this is new higher low, and this is new higher high. So this is new higher high. So this is fine, we have marked the structure by default. This is the market is going, the pushing out, and then it was breaking the high, so creating a break of a structure. BO is basically break of a structure. So it's created, so it's become a new higher low. This low is not interested, become new high, and then it was becoming a new higher high, it's new higher low. When it's breaking out, it's new higher low and new higher high. When this one is breaking again, so here creating a new higher low and creating another higher high. So every time when the market structure happen, and your trading interest should be in this area, like before this is the below this your moving averages. So whatever you can see this moving averages, you can find out also one more thing. When the moving averages is below down there, so it means the market is going uptrend. So in that case you can mark this, try to understand the mark this as a higher high and higher low. There is a bullish market structure, and you can find out the entry point into this nearly this area. You can find in order block, demand zone, supply zone, and so a lot of things. So you can find some videos already on my channel, which is where we can find the trading statistics and where we can find the entry point zone, the point of interest zone, and everything. So I have some videos about it, so you can find it into my channel. Also you can find into the video description. So this, now we have marked this a higher high, higher low structure. So this is a bullish structure right now. Now let's see the bearish structure also. So this is most a similar thing, that is a bearish structure. So when it's creating the fast move, this is the bearish structure, and this is the bearish high and low. So when it's breaking this low down, when it's breaking this, so it is creating a new bearish structure, the breakout structure in bearish, which is downside. So this is bearish. So now let me copy and send this. So this is becoming a higher low. So now this time it's not higher high, it's becoming higher low, because the market is shifted to the bearish side. So this is why it's becoming higher low. Okay, and then we're going to make it another thing, which is, so when we are creating this one, the creating here, so this is actually not higher high, this is lower low, which is LL. So this is becoming lower low. So when, and this is a percent of the high, this is first high, and this, so let me make it as small. So this is high, this is the first high, and this is the low. Okay, this is high and low, and when it's breaking down, so it's creating higher low, and there is creating higher low, you can say, or you can say lower high. So I think the lower high should be called perfect. You can say a lower high, which is LS. I think because when the market is bearish, so you can say it as a lower high, so that's perfect. Okay, so now when it was moving out there, and when the market is creating downfall again the trend continuation, so it's creating another breakout structure in downside. So in that case we can get our lower high has been shifted another one, and our lower low also has been shifted to another new low. So this is another new high every time it's did the breakup structure. And before this breakup structure, when this creating the last swing low, so this is becoming lower high, and this the last low is becoming the lower low. So this is how you can consider the market of structure marketing. So now we're going to marking this is the last one. So this is creating another breakup structure, and it was creating another lower high. So this is here, and this is another lower low. So that's it. So this is now the basic way of marking the structure. Like sometime you see when this, now I'm gonna drawing something else, like sometime when you see that market is moving bearish. Okay, so let me make it a little bit of more tough. So sometime you see, so this is market bullish. Okay, fine, the market is bullish and it's a bullish market structure. So when you see that, so first time when you see this is happening there right now, so this is now another one, and there is another one, and suddenly you see this is breaking down and then retest again, then it was falling down. So what do you actually do here? So finally you can see from this, normally you can see that, so this is a breaking higher high and higher low, it was breaking down. So till then, so from this to this, the market is completely in bullish sign, and it was going to the bullish trend, and this is creating the higher high and higher low, the market structure. So in that case, now we can see, and suddenly we see that it was falling down. So what we can see here, what is exactly there. So let me remove the drawing and we can mark it. So first of all, I'm just ignoring the last thing, so I'm just directly going to here. So this is our breakup structure, fine. Now there is a higher high, so this is becoming a high, okay, and this is becoming a low. So fine, this is we're interesting this trading, and suddenly we see the market is falling down from here to here, and it has been break this the last low. It when this last break of structure created, and it has been break the last low. So what do we see? The market is going to, so we see that the change of character means the market previously is shifting to the bullish trend, and now suddenly it was going to downfall and break this the last low. So it means the change of character. Market is bullish previously, and now market is shifting to bearish. So it means the change of character is happen. So now let me remove this, and we can see the change of character. So now this time what happened? Instead of low, it was become a change of character. So when there is change of character become, so this is the high is mentioned still here. The high is not gonna change, the high is still mentioned here, but the low is changes here. So this is the low is changed. The low is changed out here, but the high is still same. But still we're not going to make any trade because this is just a change of character. It's maybe create a trap and go again. So this is why we're not gonna finding any trading opportunity in this here. So you have to wait for the trend continuation. Like first time you can see the breakdown, change of character happen, then we must be need to market go to this falling down. So it means the continuation the trend. So it means the trend is completely shifted to bullish to bearish. So now we have seen that the shifted is successful. Now we're going to marking for the trading opportunity. So this one, so this low become something is, the low is become a now break of structure. So now this time it's becoming a break of structure. So now you can see that this area, the first change of character, then it was created the break of structure. Now it's becoming a new high, and this is becoming a new low. So this area we can find trading opportunity under this level somewhere. We can find out opportunity and we can sell this trade here, and you can see the another break of structure and then another find out. So we can see this way the moving is when the market is continuously moving the continuation in bearish movement. So in that case you can completely find out the selling trade opportunity only. Like there also you can see this is also another break of structure happened there. So this is actually the real market is work, like market going bullish, market is fast going to the bullish movement and then suddenly shifted to bearish. So this is actually created the change of character. So this is how, and the change of character directly you can't trade. So if you're gonna directly trade the change of character, so it's sometime you got trap, you got the SL and you got your SL always. So this is why not to trade in change of character, always wait for the continuation of the trend. When the change of character is happen, wait for the another trend continuation in the same side. If it go upside, then it must be definitely a trap. So you have to be aware there, so don't fall in the trap and don't keep in the falling knife. So this is why you must be need to wait for the trend continuation. Now we'll go for the live example in the market. So now you can see this is the chart is moving here. So we're gonna marking any kinds of swing high or low, we're gonna marking. Okay, so we're going to mark this from this to this. So this is high we're considering, and this is as a low considering. So we're gonna mark it, this is as a high or low we're consider, or we can go for anywhere. So any moves you can actually keep that in your mind, any move you can find out. So for example, if we are finding, so instead of this move we're keeping this move, as if we're going to marking a structure from this move. So then for that we can do, that is we can mark this one as a high and this one is a low. So now we're going to finding out if something is breaking out or breaking down. So this is we're going to mark it as a low, this is as a lowest point, which is our low, and then here it's our high. So this is our highest point. Okay, this is high. So between inside there, inside, this is inside of this high and inside of this low, whatever the market happen, this bullish, bearish, everything, this is called a internal structure. This is not you interested of internal structure. Actually you can do this trading, this opportunity you can find out this by taking this low and high. So this is actual low and this is high, this is your trading range, and inside of this whatever the structure making, this all is an internal structure. So we have to keep waiting for the making the market in going to the upside or downside the breakdown. So we can see suddenly, this is the market is completely this going upside and it was breaking this line. So now this is first thing, if you don't want to make it as a directly breakout structure, then you can consider it as a change of character, and the change of character is which side it was break in the upside. So it means definitely a bullish side change of character. Now we're waiting for another trend continuation in bullish side, then we will find the entry position here. So now we can see this is a big move in the downside, so we can consider is a real move. Okay, fine, then we can consider is real move, and then you can see this is the falling down and then go upside, so it means it's going out again, so it means the trend continuation is perfect, so it means the market is going to the upside. So it's the market structure we find out. So now let me remove this drawing and let me mark it as a real structure. Okay, fine. Now this one is the break of structure happened, the new break of structure, and actually when this is done the breakout, so the new high is become here, the new high is become this one, and then recent low is become this one. So now let's find out the try opportunity here. So this is actually the market is doing the break of structure, and we can see this the change of character in bullish side and the trend continuation also in bullish side. So we definitely find out the buying position here. So first of all, let me mark the low and high. So when this move is structure, the break of structure happened, and before the break of structure you can see this is the move last, and the last low is this one. So we'll consider it this is as a low. So this is our lowest point and this is as a low, so we'll mark it as a low, or you can say a high low, whatever we can, but this is we're not going to marking this whole structure here. So we're marking actually the highest point is still not created, but we can consider this is as a high. If it break down, if it go upside little bit of higher, then we can consider that is a last high. So for now we're considering this is a high, and we're going to finding a trading opportunity here. So what you can find in this downside here, we find a busy here. So this is in a busy, we find the FBG, and this before the FBG is created, the last move is from this order block candle. So this is here our demand zone where we are interested in trade. So this is our demand zone, and this is in FBG, but I'm not placing that order in FBG. Sometimes you can place the order in FBG as I said already, but right now I'm interested in the last candle, so which is actually created this big move, which is the last candle is this one, and it is swept all the liquidity, and this was created a big move. So this is why I'm interested in this area. So now we are going to waiting for the market to calm down, and let's see where it's come. Now you can see this area the market is came successfully here, and this is our entry zone. This SL should be down here. Now you can see the FBG, the important thing is here the FBG is directly fall down. This FBG has been directly crossed, and it has been tapped to the last candle, which is our demand zone. And then we can target at least this is the recent high. We can target which we are getting 1:2, which we are getting 4.4:1 something around. So if it say that we're going to targeting this is the FBG point, this is, so we're going to targeting this one, thus which is actually creating 1:2, which is creating 4:1. So that is enough, and we're okay, fine. And this is actually our highest point, and we can also target this high definitely. This is okay. So now if we continue the trade, and let's see where this gone. Let me forward this. Okay, you can see sometimes it's going on tapping out and giving you the reaction. It's making you scared, but don't have to be scared because this is the nature of the trading. So now we're going to making out. Now you can see this, the TP is target is successfully hit. So this is how actually structure marking work, and you have to work on this trading strategy. So this is structure marking work. I hope you understand the structure, how to mark this structure, and how to find the trading opportunity here. So if you have any question related to structure marking, you can give me on the comment section below. And if you enjoy this video, please like on it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching this video.